Hello and welcome everyone, Carman back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Maserati Quattroporte. And before I show you guys the exhaust clips, I wanted to announce the winner for the Wachsma LED kit that I had a giveaway for last week. And the winner for this giveaway is Gilbert Pagan or Pagan. And if you guys did want to buy this Wachsma LED kit, please check out the description. I'll have links to it down below. And now let's get started with my Maserati.